Hello everyone and welcome to a new product review. We have today a microphone, a USB microphone from FIFINE. It is the T669 condenser studio microphone. We will have a look at what's inside the box, how it looks fitted and how it performs right after the intro. The FIFINE T669 comes in a brown box with a small logo on it, and once we open it we can see the user guide and the dual pop filter. Then on the second tray there are some backup accessories. It's quite nice to have some extra parts in case these are needed. The shock mount, the foam cover, the USB cable which is 2.5 meters long, a mini tripod stand which I quite like, the boom arm stand, the C-clamp and the condenser microphone. It is very easy to put everything together and it takes just a few moments to fit it on the desk. Be aware of the C-clamp as it needs a rubber pad just to keep the desk safe and undamaged. The arm is quite sturdy, it doesn't wobble much and it is very easy to move it around. You can watch the Maono PM422 review video. I had a hard time trying to fit the pop filter. This is not the case now, it is quite easy and fast to do it. This is how it looks at the moment on my desk. It doesn't take too much space and I can push it up the wall when I don't use it. But let's talk about the actual condenser microphone and test it. I will switch over to this condenser microphone, so let me know in the comment section below how do you think it sounds. This is the raw sound coming from the T669. It is not edited, however keep an eye on the screen because I will jump back and forth from the raw sound to the edited one just to give you an idea of how it sounds and what it can do. As I reviewed the Maono PM422, I feel the need to compare it against this microphone, but I will try to limit this comparison as much as I can. First, let's have a look at the microphone. It is kind of a pain to fit it on the stand, but once there it stays put. I will talk about my personal opinion in regards to the sound quality at the end of the video, just because this mic doesn't have a microphone jack to monitor the sound in real time. It only comes with a mic gain knob, which means that if you use this microphone for voiceover, as I do it now, you will have to record a bit, then listen and adjust the mic gain, and you will probably need to do it for a couple of times until you reach the optimum gain level, and then you can leave it like that. But the frequency response of this unit is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, so it should perform alright. This condenser microphone doesn't have any mute button, so to actually mute it you will have to put the mic gain to minimum. Also, there is no LED indicator to notify that the microphone is in use, kind of expected due to the lack of the mute button. I like that it comes with a mini tripod in the box, so it can be fitted on the desk in front of you without obstructing the view. It is easy to use it on a PC, just plug and play. The same for the PS4 where you will have to select it as the default input in the PS4 settings. Unfortunately, it is not compatible with Xbox consoles. The FIFINE T669 has a versatile use, from voiceovers to podcast, from gaming to streaming, and can be used on the boom arm stand or on the mini tripod. Now that I managed to check the sound, I can say that it is similar to the Maono 422, so it is a pass. In terms of price, at the moment of recording this video, it costs £69.99. Besides the usual components in the box, there is this extra mini tripod. But at this price range, I would like FIFINE to offer the headphone jack for sound monitoring and also probably an on-off or mute-unmute button. But I think that they took a different approach, a more minimalist and business look approach. You can find the link to this product in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so please use it if you're willing to get one because it will help the channel. We reached the end of this product review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Hit the like button if so and subscribe to be notified of other great product reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.